guys, it's Katie and I'm doing a special video on me getting over 10 subscribers, and I never really thought that I would get this far because when I first started YouTube I only had 1 subscriber, which was my friend. But then I got 8 and I've just checked today and I've got 15 subscribers and I've got over 1,000 views. Oh my god. So that was my aim first. So my next aim is probably 50 subscribers. See if we can all get to 50 subscribers. And if you get this video to 20 likes, I will do a special video tomorrow on me getting 10 subs. So comment down below what you think I should do for tomorrow. So check out my video tomorrow. Bye! Oh, and I know this is a short video, but I'm just really, really happy. I couldn't have done this without you guys. And I'm talking to you.